So in a couple of words, maybe in English, we are talking about the possible organization of a stroke care for all our inhabitants and possible tourists especially during the summer times in the Dalmatian part of Croatia, which is a special situation because of a very huge number of islands that we have over there. So we have already organized 4 stroke units in the hinterland in Zadar, Šibenik, Split and Dubrovnik, with the possibility of proceeding mechanical thrombectomy in the University Hospital in Split. And we think that we could cover most of the patients from our islands in organizing a telethrombolysis center in with islands like Brač, Korčula, Peninsula of Pelješac, and possibly Vis, with providing video links for all smaller islands, as well as on the way from Split to Dubrovnik, which are 2 major hospitals over there in Makarska and Metković. So thank you all.